Oh yeah. We're making smoke, making heat. Finally, it's been a long time coming.
I was gonna say, we waited a long time for that. I'm excited.
Got a mess in the yard. Got smoke coming out of the chimney. I'm okay with the mess. How about you?
Yeah.
Okay, we got a mess in here, but there's the wood burner. Roaring flames. So it comes out. It's got an air vent, pressure tank, goes down, and it goes to PEX. That red PEX line goes underground to the house. And the blue PEX line comes from the house, return, comes up, comes through the pump, and back into the back of the wood burner. There's a little fan that's blowing to, it's a combustion air blower. I had to replace the pump. Old pump was not any good. It sat around for too long. Had to redo piping and had to work on the fan because it was locked up, but I'm going to get a new one for a spare. There we go. We're up to, what's the pressure, the temperature? Just at about 80, so we'll give it a little time here and see what happens. We're excited. Even Oakley's excited. Okay, here we are back in the garage in this mess. But there's our pipes coming from the wood burner shed. They just loop back around, but this is the supply. The hot water goes into this mixing valve. And this is a return. That return also goes up to this manifold. But there's a mixing valve because you can't send 160 degree or 180 degree water through your concrete for several reasons. One is it would have so many fluctuations in heat in your house, but nevertheless, there's a little pump here that's going to pump it through. There's the heat down in the floor, going down in the floor. These lines come up, got a little manifold here. So it's going to pump it down into the floor, and we're going to try to get it running. Okay, so right there we have our manifold. I'm trying to get it adjusted now to get flow through this floor, and see how it goes here. Okay, a little follow-up. I don't know if we can see that or not. It's at 92 is the water temperature going into the floor. And it's around 80 coming out. So, last night, to facilitate getting this big slab of concrete, which is over 50,000 pounds of concrete, to facilitate getting it warmed up, there's our little pump. I got it, had it set at 110. Well, I shut it off around midnight. It is now 2:30 in the afternoon, and it finally just kicked on. It was around 80 degrees last night. About cooked the meat off our bones. And so now I got it dropped back to about 90. We'll see what that does. I'll check back with you. Hey everybody, we've been using the wood burner for a couple weeks now. It's nice and warm in here. You've watched us build the wood burner shed and hook the wood burner up, and now it's keeping us warm. She likes it. The floor's warm. The garage is warm. It's pretty nice. So I had to do some messing around with it to get the air out of the system and I put a new thermostat on. It's more precise and sensitive, and it works really good. It turns it on when the house gets a little cool and shuts it off when it warms up. And
Yeah,
we like it.
Staying consistently 73 or
Dog
74.
likes it. Don't you, Oakley? Yep, she likes it. But we love it here. I mean, it's really nice, and we don't have any of our auxiliary heat on or anything. It's just all wood burner. So, if you like our content, like and subscribe, comment, whatever. If you got any comments for us, we really appreciate it. It really helps our channel out. And thanks for joining. Have a good evening.
See you next time.
Bye.